Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will learn how we can create panel bar in Visualforce. Here I am create one page. Inside the page tag, I am write here apex panel bar. Inside the panel bar, I am write here apex panel bar item. I am write here label for panel bar. I am write item 1 and panel bar item is Pune. Similar way, I am write for second atom apex panel bar atom label is atom 2 and panel bar atom is Mumbai. Similar way, I am create for panel bar atom 3 apex panel apex panel bar atom label is atom 3 and panel bar atom is Ahmednagar. Simply save this. We can see here panel bar is successfully created and it contain atom 1, atom 2 and atom 3 and panel bar item is here is Pune. When I am click on atom 2, then atom 1 is hide and atom 2 is display. When I am click on atom 3, then atom 3 is display and atom 2 is hide. In this way we can create panel bar in Visualforce. Panel bar contain two attribute. One is on enter and another is on leave. Here I am write on enter alert and alert message is hello, you are entering atom 1 and second attribute is on leave. It show alert hello, you are leaving atom 1. When I am click on atom 1, then it show alert hello, you are entering atom 2. When I am click on atom 2 or 3, then it show alert message hello, you are leaving atom 1. Similar way I am here write on enter alert hello, you are entering atom 2. And another attribute is on leave. It show alert when I am leaving atom 2. Hello, you are leaving atom 2. And here I am right on enter for atom 3 alert and message is hello, you are entering atom 3. And when I am leaving atom 3, then it show alert message alert, hello, you are leaving atom 3. Save this. When I am click on atom 2, it show hello, you are entering atom 2. And again it show hello, you are leaving atom 1. Now atom 2 is selected. After that, I click on atom 3, then it show hello, you are entering 3 and you are leaving atom 2. In this way, we can create panel bar in Visualforce. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.